How to delete reposts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers as well as amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up TikTok. And say for example, you have reposted a video and you wanted to delete it. So for example, let me repost this one right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now the video has been reposted, but now I want to delete it. For example, on spot, I want to delete it right now. You can just simply redo what you have done right now. Click on the share button and then just click on the repost button, which will you see it has turned to remove repost, which will undo the repost that you have done. If you clicked on it, as you can see, it says that your repost has been removed. This is on spot. But say for example that you have reposted the video and then watched other videos or closed the app, and now you wanted to remove it. The process is very simple. Let's go ahead and repost it again. Let's repost another one to have a clear understanding. Say for example, no, not this one. We just met in this one. Okay, let's go ahead and repost this one. Now, for example, we want to remove them. You can simply just click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then here you will see this menu list which has different categories or different tabs: the posted videos, the liked videos, the saved videos, etc. Now here you will see the repost icon, which is the two arrows. If you click on it, you will find all of the videos that you have reposted, including the new ones that we have just reposted. So in order for us to remove one of these videos from our repost, we can simply just click on it and do the same thing that we did before. Just click on the share icon and click on remove repost, which will remove this video from your reposts. If we go back, you can see that the video has been removed. We can do the same with this one. We just met in a As you can see, the videos have been removed from our reposts. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove reposts on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.